guys, I hope you all doing well. So today we are going to see how I spend my day being on a weekend, a very long weekend from Friday. It's a Mazingira day, so stay tuned, watch the video till the end. For my new viewers, please subscribe. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for your support. Yeah, please comment anything that you want me to do. Yeah, like and share. Thank you so much. Watch the video till the end and see how I spend my day. After washing my clothes, then I decided to go up, kupanda huko juu kwenda kuanika manguo zangu. Yeah, nika bed sitter hapa, so we are very few. Ni only ka one stair. Yes. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe, like and comment anything that you want me to do. Yeah, suggest anything that you want me to do and I'll do it in my bed. See. I decided to go to the shop after cooking. There it's me washing my jiko, cleaning. Even my utensils, I already washed them. My food is ready, just waiting for me to eat. Please, so far, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe guys, support me by subscribing to my channel and I'll appreciate so much. My utensils are very clean, my jiko, my kitchen is very clean. Now it's time to eat. Njaa niko nayo man, I have to eat something ndio nisianguke. Ugali with eggs ilislap. After that I washed, then yeah, as you can see, brushing my teeth, whatever, I'm brushing them. Yep, done. Then nikaeka nywele zangu mafuta ya nazi. I make my own coconut oil. So yeah, nikazieka, nikasema let me touch them to see kama bado ziko sawa, fungana. Yeah, they're okay. I decided to songa them to do 2 cones. Okay, yeah, nikazifunga hiva to be free, sitaki nywele niguse mimi. Yeah, that's it guys. That's how my day went. Comment down, how was your day? What did you do during the Mazingira time, during the Mazingira day? Ulienda kupanda miti? What did you do? Comment down. Do not forget, I always use Armis. Yeah, Armis and coconut oil. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment anything that you want to see. Yeah, see you to my next video. Enjoy until the end. Thank you so much for watching. See you to my next video. Bye.